Welcome back. My name is Anne. I'm the artist behind Anne's Goddesses, and I'm also your creativity, your art mentor if you want me to be. So welcome to all of you, if new or if you are the supporters of the first hours. I'm looking slightly up and down because I'm filming this with two cameras today, so I hope this doesn't distract you too much. I'm making this video today because we're now in October 2023. The year is slowly coming to its end, and this is a very good time to check in with your creativity, with all that you've created this year. So definitely make a list, write it down, or make an album on your phone where you have photos of everything that you created this year. So to really compare, where did you stand in the beginning of this year and how far have you actually come? Yes, I have two tips for you tonight, two mistakes to avoid when you want to be more creative, especially now as you might feel a little bit of, pressure or frustration about what you haven't achieved this year. The first mistake that you can make if you want to be more creative, and that can really slow things down for you so much, is thinking that it's about talent, that you feel you're not getting along, then just saying, I'm not talented enough, that must be the reason. This is absolutely wrong. Creativity has very little to do with talent. Please comment if you disagree. This can always generate an interesting conversation and discussion. But my credo is that it's not really about talent. Creativity is much more about staying in a mode of growth and exploration and being consistent about it, which takes me to my second mistake that you should avoid. You should create more consistency. So how to do this? It's actually a skill to make time for your creativity and create a space and a time for it. And you can have mechanisms in place to do that. And I advise you to have a journal where you write down your progresses, your goals, and also maybe to dedicate a wall or a desk area to your creativity, where you just keep track of what you have been doing and also visually, put objects there that you've created, drawings, your journal, all these types of things, and this will make it much easier for you. So today I wanted to keep it short and sweet for you. These are my two pieces of advice, two mistakes to avoid for today. And if you want more advice from me, you can always find all about me. You can always write me a message or go to my profile link and find all the offers that I have for you to really give you the deep dive as your art mentor, especially when you are a very busy person and don't have so much time. That's it for today, guys. I see you soon.